Hi everybody, how's it going? I record this video just to tell everybody reach the last lesson. Of course, number one, congratulations. So if you reached to the last lesson and you watched this video, I want to tell you congratulations, good job, you did good job. And if you not understand anything in these lessons of this course, you could reach me directly on the Telegram channel. And if you feel that you not understand some certain topics in the lesson of this course, it's normal, you're still in the beginning, even if you not understand it all, if you understand some, this is normal. Anybody in the beginning feels these things, even me back myself when I was studying in a college and after that and in the work, there is a lot of things I didn't understand it. And there is a lot of information also from this course you will understand in the future, in the future courses. Because this roadmap rely on cumulative education. So I just want to advise you to keep going. And if you want to understand some certain topics so hard, you can reach me, as I said, on the Telegram channel, and I'll explain to you by myself. And it's normal that you not understand some certain topics because you're still in the beginning. I advise you just keep going, go to the course number 2, course number 3, course number 4, and you will understand all the topics from this course and also the topics from course number 2, course number 3. You don't have to understand everything. You don't have, it's not obligatory to understand everything. There is a lot of things to understand later when you practice, and there is a lot of things it will click in your brain, or your brain like will understand or get it when you practice more and more. So don't stop, don't cut your chances to be a good developer. That's my advice to you. And I don't want this video to be long. I'll see you next course, guys.